Welcome to Isocrats.app channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
Okay. Here comes the different types of matrices. First of all, let us see what a row matrix is. A row matrix is nothing but a matrix which contains only one row and any number of columns. That is, the matrix should contain only one row and there is no restriction for the number of columns. Okay. Row matrix is also known as a row vector. How does a row matrix look like? Row matrix will be of the form A is equal to A11, A12, etc. up to A1n. So what we have in this is that the first element of the first row is the A11, A12 is the second element, that is first row, second column, and A1n is the first row, n column. So the matrix will contain only one row, but it can contain any number of columns. Okay, let us take the example. The matrix 1, 2, 3. It is a row matrix in which we have only one row and there are three columns. When you look at the second example 1, 2, 3, 4. In this matrix, there is only one row but four columns. We all know that the order of a matrix is m cross n, that is m rows, n columns. So what is the order of a row matrix will be? Since there is only one row and n columns, that is the number of columns is not restricted, so it can take any value n. So the order of a row matrix is 1 cross n. In the examples that are given here, the order of the first matrix is, that is the order of 1, 2, 3 is 1 cross 3. And the order of the second matrix, matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1 cross 4. The next type of matrix is matrix. Okay. A column matrix is nothing but a matrix if it has only one column under any number of rows. And similarly to that of row matrix, we call column matrix can also be known as column vector. How does the column matrix look like? Column matrix will look like A11, A21, etc. up to AM1. So A11 tells us that it is the element of first row and first column. A21 tells us that it is the element of second row, first column. Similarly, AM1 tells us that it is the element of mth row and first column. Okay. If we look at the example, the matrix 1, 3, 2, it tells us that there are 3 rows and 1 column. Okay. What is the order of a column matrix? Column matrix has the order m cross 1. So here m tells the number of rows and 1 is the number of column. For the example matrix 1, 3, 2, the order is 3 cross 1. So there are 3 rows and 1 column. Therefore, the order will be 3 cross 1. The type of matrix is square matrix. Square matrix is nothing but a matrix in which the number of columns is equal to the number of rows. Okay. When do we call a matrix a square matrix? We all know that the order of a matrix is m cross n. If the order, that is m is equal to n, then the matrix becomes a square matrix. Since the number of row and number of column is equal for a square matrix, the order of a square matrix will be n. And it can also be said as m, since both are same. Okay, let us take an example. Example is the matrix 0, 2, 1, 0, 4, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 5, 4, 2, 0. So the number of columns in the given matrix is 4. Similarly, the number of rows is 4. And therefore, the order of this matrix is 4 cross 4, simply 4. Okay. And it becomes a square matrix only since the number of rows is equal to number of columns is equal to 4. So if order of a matrix m cross n, if m is equal to n, then we say that it is a square matrix. Okay. Have we all heard the word diagonal element, that is leading diagonal element? If not, let us read what it is. We just now saw what is a square matrix, and if the elements that are present in the diagonal, then we call it to be a leading diagonal elements. That is, for a matrix, the diagonal element which are denoted as A11, A22, A33, A44, A55, etc. and it is known as a leading diagonal elements. The definition is, in a square matrix, the elements of the form A11, A22, A33, etc. are called the leading diagonal elements. So when we look at the matrix which is given here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And the leading diagonal element for this matrix is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So these elements are of the form A11, A22, A33, A44, A55. So that is first row, first element, that is first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column, fourth row, fourth column, fifth row, fifth column. So the elements in this form will be called as leading diagonal elements. Okay. What happens if we have a rectangular matrix? So if our matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does it have a diagonal element, that is leading diagonal element? No, it doesn't have. Since the leading diagonal element can be formed only when we have a square matrix. So there is no leading diagonal element for a rectangular matrix.